Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to check your Dunkin card balance. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Dunkin card. Then you will see an option for Check Balance or Add Value. Click on Check Balance or Add Value. Now, enter your card information, such as the card number and PIN. After entering, click on Submit. That's how you check your Dunkin card balance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.